Oh my gosh! Go, go! Holy! Jaw jacking for shallow trout. We're just getting set up. We got the jaw jacker over there. We got the second one right over here. We got the mat for the dog because it's freaking cold out today. We're staying shallow, 3 to 4 feet, running tungstens, tipping them with night crawlers. Let's freaking go. Oh, we got a fish. We got a fish. Come on, Jess. Oh, yes. Woo. We're just setting up. We gotta get him back in the water quick. Just setting up. What a beauty. Got him on the worms. Oh, there we go. Holy! Holy, got one on it! Oh my god! Oh, we got a problem. Oh, it's off! Oh, I wasn't ready! I literally just set the jaw jacker up and it nailed it. Oh, it's cold. Oh, they're biting really good today. I gotta finish setting stuff up here. It's incredible. That was a really nice, I don't know if you can see it, but that's a nice rainbow. Oh jeez, I'm not ready. Oh my gosh. Get back, 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 back. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. Now, we gotta get him back in the water real quick. Jess, we're going. Oh, I can't run on the ice. Look out. Oh, what a nice fish. Man, they're biting today. It is so cold out too. Man, I've never had such a good day so early. Here's another one right here. What a beauty. Let her go. Don't set off my jacker, please. Oh! Oh shoot! Oh, it's gone. Are you f***ing kidding me? Good old dipstick here. How did that break? Are you kidding me? First time in the jaw jacker that happens. Are you kidding me? Wow. Not impressed, frostbite. So it's way too cold. Jessica needed a break here. Her feet are getting kind of cold. Even though I brought a rug for her, it's too dang windy and cold, man. Like, we're being lazy. Look at everything's out there, and there's the other one. We're gonna sit in here and chill, eat some big bag of Doritos from Costco. Oh my god! We're getting out of the truck! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Stop, 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 stop! There we go! It's pretty nice. Well, it's not bad. It's not bad! What a nice one! Okay, we're gonna start keeping some today. They're doing, like, we're doing good. And these are stocky, so I wanna eat one. Look at this. Not bad. This is about the average size today. I've definitely caught some big ones in here. A couple 5-6 pounders, but this one's a beauty. We're gonna eat one because we're just catching them left and right today. And it's cold, we're sitting in the truck. Screw that. The dog's starting to complain a little bit. So this is the one we're using today. The trout are absolutely hammering this. This is the best luck I've ever had on this black. It's like the Wonder Bread, but a black version. And all we're doing, we're tipping it with those babies right there. Oh no! Oh my gosh, we gotta run quicker. Go, go! Come on. Oh yes, let's go! Oh, oh, what a nice girl. Oh, she's pretty. Nice and gold. But we're gonna keep this. We're not in a hurry to put her back in the water. The limit out here is, whoa, whoa. The limit out here is 2. So we're at our limit now. Jeez. Go, baby. Holy crap. Uh-oh. There we go. I don't think it's a real big one though. Oh, it's not bad though. Oh, my drag out. Oh, it's out. No, it's not. Screw this. We're hand bombing this guy in. Oh, what a way to end it. He was screwing with my hook forever. Oh, what a beauty. What a nice trout. Woo! We gotta let him go. It's cold. Cold as